Hey guys, it's Diana here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be decorating these wine bottles for Christmas, so let's get started. You can use any decorations you want, but I will be using 3 wine bottles and white paint spray, glitter and chunky glitter, some glue. I'm going to start painting this wine bottle with white paint spray. Make sure you paint your wine bottles in an outside area. Right after you finish painting your wine bottle, add the glitter so the glitter can dry with the paint spray. When you're finished paint spraying your wine bottles, if there's still some clear areas, add glue and glitter so you can cover those clear areas. Let it dry for 24 hours. I just printed the word joy and now I'm gonna cut them out. I'm gonna put this paper on top of this thick paper, so when I cut them out, I'm gonna have a trace out of each letter. After you're done cutting your letters, add glue and then glitter. So pretty, and I really like this idea because you can just take a wine bottle to make it something for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed these ideas. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye!